Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to create a Wise account. In today's interconnected world, managing finances across borders is essential. With Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, you gain access to a wide range of financial services. From holding and exchanging over 50 currencies to sending money to 80-plus countries and spending in 170-plus countries, Wise offers unparalleled convenience. Whether you're a globetrotter, an expatriate, or an entrepreneur with international dealings, a Wise account streamlines your transactions and minimizes fees. Throughout this guide, we'll provide a detailed walkthrough of the process, ensuring you understand every step of opening a Wise account, setting up currency balances, and receiving funds seamlessly. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials on personal finance, international banking, and digital payments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we publish new content. Let's navigate the world of finance together. Step 1. Register online or via the Wise app. To kick off the process, head over to the Wise website or download the Wise app from either the App Store or Google Play Store. Click on the prominent Register button and input your email address. Alternatively, for seamless access, opt to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Following registration, the next step involves identity verification, where you'll be prompted to provide one of the following documents: your passport, photo page only, national ID card, both sides, or driver's license, both sides. Step 2. Set up your payment. After your Wise account is verified, proceed to set up your payment by specifying the desired amount to send or the exact sum your recipient should receive. Upon entering this information, you'll promptly receive an instant quote accompanied by an estimated delivery time. This allows you to thoroughly compare your available options and seamlessly proceed with your intended payment, ensuring efficiency and transparency throughout the process. Step 3. Open a currency account. Balance. Wise presents the convenient option to open currency accounts, referred to as balances, facilitating effortless currency holding and exchange. To initiate this process, log into your Wise account and locate the Open a Balance feature. Select your preferred currency from the available options to establish your desired currency account. Step 4. Receive money into your Wise account. For users based in the US seeking to receive payments in select currencies via local transfers, the following steps outline the process of obtaining account details. Log into your Wise account and navigate to the relevant balance. Click on Get Account Details to obtain local receiving details. Top up your account with a minimum amount, such as 20 GBP or its equivalent. Add funds using your bank account, Apple Pay, credit card, or debit card. Complete the verification process if prompted by providing any necessary additional details or documents, ensuring seamless receipt of funds into your Wise account. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to create a Wise account, set up currency balances, and receive money into your account. With Wise, managing your finances across borders has never been easier or more affordable. Say goodbye to hidden fees and slow international transfers with old-school banks. With Wise, you'll enjoy transparent fees, competitive exchange rates, and fast transactions. Whether you're traveling abroad, running a business, or simply sending money to friends and family overseas, Wise is your trusted financial partner. Open your Wise account today and experience the future of international banking. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials on personal finance, international banking, and digital payments. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.